Open-ended cordset with RJ45 connection and molded screw cap. ASI ASICPICRJ45S RJ45 is a cordset with an RJ45 connector with a molded screw connection on one end and open-ended wire on the other. This cordset is often used to connect RJ45 to printed circuit boards, terminal blocks, or other connections. The 8-pin RJ45 connector is shielded and the Cat5e cable is single foil twisted pair with a black PVC jacket. Designed to pair with the ASICPICRJ45RA and ASICPICRJ45S. This cordset is 1.4 meters, 59 inches, long and can be easily cut to the desired length to fit your application. Please note that the ASI RJ45WM08STMF15 is sold separately. Install front-mounting ASICPICRJ45S Ethernet connector in 3 easy steps. Insert the ASICPICRJ45S RJ45 bulkhead connector through the backside of a 2 mm thick or thinner panel wall with a 20 mm diameter hole. Slide the ring of the ASICPICPC weatherproof cap over the front section of the RJ45 connector. Screw the front-mounting hexagonal tightening nut in place. Front-mounting USB connector available too. Sometimes you just need additional ports. The ASICPIC USB 2.0 AS weatherproof panel mount USB connector mounts through a 20 mm hole in a panel wall. Screw the tightening nut onto the front of the connector to secure it. Remember to buy the same ASICPICPC weatherproof cap as for the panel mount RJ45 connector for NEMA 6 weatherproof protection from dirt, debris and liquids. This is a USB 2.0 connector with female USB connector in front and a 4-pin connection in rear. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice. Installed in my Jeep XJ front panel to use as a remote location for my microphone to my Midland GMRS radio that is mounted under the back seat. Install was easy. Drill 7/8 IIRC hole, insert, screw on.